Hello viewers, do you want to know how to install Prosper202 in ipage shared hosting? Then I'll show you how to do it. First download Prosper202, then upload it and configure it. And how can you configure it? First log into your ipage control panel, and then you go for a root section, or you can install a subdomain. I have installed root. You just upload your Prosper202 zip, and then you just unzip it. After unzip it, you will get a section like this, and you remember that ipage's security is so hard, so you have to do manually create 202 config.php this file. After click this file, you have to just make sure all database connection with it, and after completed all database connection, you just do it normal installation. And remember one thing, there is a problem with memcache, but memcache is not enabled on ipage shared hosting. So if you have to enable memcache, then you have to use ipage VPS. So after everything is done, you can see I have already done this installation. After I have done this installation, and this is my ipage, and this is my action admin panel of Prosper. I have already installed it, and you can see the proof here. This is the root domain ipage, and this is I have installed it. So this is how you can easily install Prosper202 on here you see Prosper2 click server. You can Prosper202 on our ipage shared hosting, and I will share my gig link if you have problem with it, so that you can take help from it. Let me share my gig link. So if you still need help, and tell me to do that for you, so check my gig in video description. This is my gig link, fifa.com mahmood685. Do any type of hosting support task. That's all for today. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. One thing I have to tell you, if you love this video, please share it, comment it, and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye again.